Hey everyone, Raise is introducing proposed updates to the menu view that would directly impact your daily workflow. We wanted to give you a quick preview of these proposed changes while also showing the functionality of them. Let's take a closer look at these changes. Currently, this is how your menu view looks. With our proposed changes, these outlined tabs will be impacted by our update. Here's a side-by-side view with our new menu options. Now, instead of only being able to manage an insurance claim, you'll now have access to every stage of the contract from this page. Additionally, you'll also notice that your quotes, invoices, and jobs tab have been removed. You'll now access these options through the expanded row of your retail contracts or insurance claims, depending on the route your customer chose. We've also added a new tab for service tickets. This tab will only display your warranty work where you can manage your inspection, job, and invoice. And finally, we've also repurposed our client dashboard icon. Wherever you see this blue icon within the system, you can click on it to access everything related to that client. While this view is not new, you now have the ability to click onto contracts to expand their row, giving you a wide array of options to manage them. You'll have several options to choose from, such as accessing the inspection, takeoff estimate, manage the quote, job, invoice, photos, and files. With this change, you'll have quicker access into the important things, with less time jumping from tab to tab. These proposed changes are set to be implemented soon. Your input and feedback are invaluable to us. We kindly request that you take the time to share your thoughts and comments regarding these changes via Help Scout.